Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use our Rice Krispie Treat template. If you don't have the template, you can purchase the template from our Etsy shop or over on our website. I'll have the links in the description box down below if you're interested. But I'm going to be showing you how to use the template over on Canva. And I highly recommend Canva, especially for beginners. But Canva is not the only place that you can use the template. Included in your purchase, you're also going to have the template files, and you can use those files to upload to any other editing software that you want. But today we're going to be working on Canva. And within your PDF file that you receive after your purchase, you're going to find a link that's going to take you directly to Canva where the template has already been set up for you and ready to use. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. And be sure to watch the video to the end. Alright guys, so after your purchase, you're going to receive a PDF file, and within that PDF file, you're going to have a link that's going to take you directly to Canva where you can use the template. The template has already been set up for you and ready to use. Now you're going to see this screen and it's going to tell you that I have created a template and I'm sharing it with you. All you have to do is click Use Template. Alright, so once your canvas pulls up, you're going to see a couple of different pages here. This is your main template. If you scroll down, I just have some notes here for you. I need to erase this. And what I'm telling you, to change the color, you're going to select the area you want to change, click on the color tab and select your new color. You're going to add your middle line, your clip arts and text, and you're going to save it as a PDF. And I have gone ahead and given you a sample design here. I have also included some birthday Krispy Treats logos in different colors. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can find your middle line in a few different colors here. We're going to start creating our design. You can go up to the upload tab and upload all of your clip arts and backgrounds that you want to use in your design. If you have Canva Pro, you can actually save all of your clip arts and things in different folders like I have here. And you can click on each section to change the color. That here. Now I want to scroll down and I want to add my middle piece and I want it to be white. What I would do, I would click on my white image. I either can drag it back to the top like this, or I can just click on that image. I can duplicate it here, or I can right click and click copy and scroll back up. Right click and click paste. Okay. And I can do the same for my birthday logo. So if I want it in black, I can right click And that's it. And I would just do the same thing for over here. I also wanted to mention that instead of having to make the label over again, your first label, you could have grouped all of the elements together by highlighting everything and grouping it together and just made a copy. Also, I'm using a clip art instead of adding text, but if you wanted to add text, all you had to do was go up to the text tab and enter your text and resize it to fit your area here. Alright guys, so now that we finished our design, we can save it and print it from there. But in the video, I forgot to mention that you don't have to keep jumping backwards and forth from the different pages. Within your files, you have all of these files and you can actually go ahead and upload them to Canva under the upload tab, and they'll be right over here off to your side. That way you don't have to keep scrolling backwards and forth on the page. If you don't want to, you can just simply click the image on the side and add it to your page that way. The same thing with your lines. Everything is included within the files. You just have to upload them individually to Canva. So if you don't want to have to keep scrolling backwards and forth and click copy and paste, you can simply upload the images here and just click the images from there. Next, I want to show you how to use the mockup. And what you'll do when you finish, you want to take your design and you want to highlight everything and group it together. So you want to group everything together and make a duplicate copy of it. We either can add a new page, and if you have uploaded all of your files, you can go over to the side here and upload it and just make a new page. Let me show you. You want to change it to a different color so that you're able to see. And you want to make it a little bit larger. So we're going to copy our design, or we're just going to drag it down. Okay. To put it in the middle, and we want to put it backwards. And we're just going to resize it. So to get rid of this, we can the position tab. We're going to ungroup this. We're going to just size everything down here. Okay, so that looks a little better. Okay, so once everything looks good, we're going to highlight everything and we're going to group it together. Alright, so once you're happy with how everything is looking, you can go up and change your page color back to white so everything looks more blended in together. And if you wanted to go ahead and make the back side, you can follow the same steps. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you all found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're interested in the Rice Krispie Treats template, you can find the links in the description box down below. If you have questions, please drop them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell. And see you next time. Bye.